Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an MV plugin by Neoma Studio that adds a keyboard on screen for inputting Thai and English characters. An MV and MZ plugin by AviUtl that shoots the enemy off screen when it's defeated. An MV and MZ plugin by Daedra Talos and 20free that allows adding requirements for equipments. An MZ plugin by AviUtl that allows running the game as a web server. An MZ plugin by Blue Moon that allows customizing the selection of actor and enemy window. An MZ plugin by Kontan that allows aligning the text to center or right. And lastly, a Tileset pack of a fantasy green dungeon by Clockwork Raven. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.
Тропинкою ляжет путь вселенной, во что сияет.